How to create Gmail business email. Welcome back to Let Me Help, and let's start with this video. To create your very own business email, you need to have yourself your Google Workspace. Now in order to do so, select on Google Workspace. Now you will see a Get Started button in the official website. Just go ahead and select on Get Started. If you already have one Google Space, you can just go ahead and select on Admin Console. Now wait until it completely loads up. Now in here, starting off, you need to enter your business name. You can just go ahead and create a random one if you do not have a business. Then select a region. Then tap on Next. You need to fill out your contact info consisting of your first name, last name, and your current email address that you use. Select on Next. Now this is important. If you have a domain, just tap on Yes. If not, select No, I need one. In here, search for your domain name. Note it, each domain will cost you or charge you a different pricing. So you can select the one that you prefer. As you can see, it ranges from $12. Now I've selected marina.info and it cost me $22 a year. Select Next once done. To enter business information, go ahead and enter your street address, city, postal code, and enter your business phone number. Once you fill this out, select on Next. Enter the username, and as you can see at the back, there is my domain name. That would be our Gmail business email. Now enter your password, verify yourself, then scroll down a bit to locate the option of Agree and Continue. Now just tap on Agree and Continue button. It will redirect you to a new page, that is your admin console. Enter the email that was recently created, and this is your business email. Tap on Next. To log in, now enter your password. Then just tap on Next. If you forgot your password, select on Forgot Password. Now to verify yourself, enter your phone number. Either that will be your business account or your personal. Now enter the verification code that was sent to your designated phone number. Then tap on Verify. Tap on I understand. Now all you have to do is pay for your domain. However, you can try it free for 14 days and it will charge you nothing. Select on Agree and Continue. Then review about your details. Scroll down to the very bottom in the checkout section. In here, you need to add your payment method, including your card number, expiration date, and your CVC. Then select on Agree and Continue. And that is how you have just created your Gmail business email. Now to add in your Gmail, all you have to do is exit from here and open up your Gmail. In here, you can see the setting gear option, tap on it, and head to See All Settings. From this option, tap on Account and Import. You will find all of these options. Navigate the option of Send Email As, then tap on Add Another Email Address. Now enter the email address that was just created. That is your business email with a domain at the back. Then once you have entered your email address, tap on Next Step. Enter your password that was created along with your username or your email address. Then tap on the port, drop down some of the option and select 465. Select on Add Account once done. And there you have it, your very own business email. And that's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.